Before measuring, please be aware that the side of the pot with the stake is considered the back of the pot. First, measure the height of the plant from the base to the tallest point. Now measure the width from left to right. And lastly, measure the depth from front to back. When counting leaves, make sure to include all leaves regardless of their size. Next, cut the plant. Make sure to cut the stem at the base, where it touches the soil. To measure the mass of the plant, first place the container on the scale, then push the tare button so that you don't take into account the mass of the container. Then place the plant in the container and record the mass. Make sure that you record the edible and non-edible mass separately. This is what non-edible plant mass can look like. To record data, you will be given a spreadsheet like the one shown. In this column, record the number of leaves. Record the plant dimensions in these columns. Next, record the plant health. Then record the edible fresh mass. Lastly, record the total fresh mass. This is the sum of the non-edible fresh mass and the edible fresh mass. Thanks for watching and good luck with your project. Don't forget to have fun!